Hello and welcome back. Today we'll be doing question 6 from the MAT Specimen A paper. This is a logic question involving hats. So, let's get started. Alice, Bob and Charlie are well-known expert logicians. Part 1. The king places a hat on each of their heads. Each of the logicians can see the other's hats, but not their own. The king says, "Each of your hats is either black or white, but you don't all have the same colour hat." All four are honest and all trust one another. The king now asks Alice, "Do you know what colour your hat is?" Alice says, "Yes, it's white." "What colour are the others' hats?" Explain your answer. Part 2. The king now changes some of the hats and again says, "Each of your hats is either black or white, but you don't all have the same colour hat." He now asks Alice, "Do you know what colour your hat is?" Alice replies, "No." Can Bob work out what colour his hat is? Explain your answer. Part 3. The king now changes some of the hats and then says, "Each of your hats is either black or white. At least one of you has a white hat." He now asks them all, "Do you know what colour your hat is?" They all simultaneously reply, "No." What can you deduce about the colour of their hats? Explain your answer. Part 4. He again asks, "Do you know what colour your hat is?" Alice says no, but Bob and Charlie both say yes. All three answer simultaneously. What colour are their hats? Explain your answer. Pause the video to have a think, and once you're ready, restart to see if you were correct. Let's get started. Firstly, for part 1, we'll notice that if Alice knows her hat colour, then she must be seeing two of the other colour, meaning Bob and Charlie are wearing black hats. Now for part 2, if Alice cannot work out her hat colour, then she can see one of each on Bob and Charlie. As Bob can see what Charlie's wearing, he can work out his own hat colour, regardless of what Alice is wearing. Part 3. As none of the three logicians can work out their own hat colour, all three of them must be able to see one or two white hats, meaning there must be 2 or 3 white hats. Part 4. The logicians have now worked out the knowledge in part 3, so if they can only see one white hat, then they know they have the other. If they can see 2 white hats, then they cannot know their own hat colour. This is because if they have a white hat, then there are 3 white hats in total, which is valid. If they have a black hat, then there are 2 white hats in total, which is still valid. Now, Bob and Charlie have white hats. As they already know their hat colour, they can each see one black and one white hat, meaning Alice has a black hat. And that's our answer. If you liked our video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time for some more fun maths problems. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.